Let's talk about Kyber Network and do some price analysis. So hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to today's video. Please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified I'm going to push out some new content. I'm trying to get a couple out each week, but been working like a dog recently, so I'm not had much chance. But let's get talking today about Kyber Network. We'll run over some of the key stats of the network, and then we'll jump over to TradingView and we'll do a little bit of technical analysis to see where you could get some potential investment opportunities and some where we could go in the future within regards to the next 3 to 6 months. If we do start pushing any higher than some certain levels, I'll have to readdress the video. But let's jump into it now. We'll jump on to CoinMarketCap and run over some of the key stats of the network. Here we have Kyber Network, which is ticker KNC. It is currently ranked number 68 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. And today is the 26th of October 2020, and we have a coin price of around 92 cents, so we have dropped below that dollar mark. I did do a video, when was it, about 6 to 7 weeks ago now, and I did say it were going to drop down. It's dropped a little bit lower than expected, so that's what I'm going to do this video, and do a little bit of further analysis to see where I think a price could go. So we have a total supply of 210.3 million KNC, and out of those in circulation, it's pretty much all of it. It's around 198.3 million. We have a 24-hour volume of $17.1 million, and the market cap today is $184 million. If we just scroll down and look at the market pairs, we're getting that 24-hour volume, and you can see up there we've got quite a lot of volume. You're getting 8% of the entire market volume getting traded on Bilaxy. We are on Coinbase Pro, and we are getting around 8% on Binance against BTC and USDT. If we just scroll down, you can see where we're getting the trading done. So we've got 129 recognised pairs. So if you're looking to get some KNC, it is quite easy to get ordered. It's on other big exchanges, Bitfum, Upbit, Coinbase Pro, some Kraken. It is on some good exchanges there. Moving across to the charts, and just let's scroll down, as you can see, the all-time highs are back in that first bull run that we had in 2017. But if we look here, the all-time highs was at $6, and that was January 9, 2018, and that was pretty much around that date, 9th, 10th, 11th of January was pretty much when Bitcoin dropped on 20k, and it's never been up there since. And the same happened for all altcoins. We was hovering up at the all-time highs, so pretty much most of the cryptocurrencies have been around since then. So $6 is a good target to aim for, and that will be shown on the chart. So like I say, that is the key stats. Let's jump over to TradingView now, and we'll have a look at the previous chart I had up from last time, and then we'll jump into some more technical analysis there. This is the chart I had up last time. This is Kyber versus TEV. This is on the daily chart. Now, I'm using the OKX chart. It does has a bit more data than the Binance chart. Binance is only a fairly recent listing, so I am using this one. I just want to show you, this is where I had my box plan for last time, and that is where I said would have been a good potential area to buy in, and if it did drop lower then to dollar cost average down. But I'm going to remove that box now, and I'm going to pretty much remove everything else because this is now hit my area, and I want to completely start from scratch. I want to mark this chart up in a way I see fit. So I want to start off on the monthly time frame on OKX, and just start up by marking some key levels if we're having it a monthly time frame, and then drop down to a weekly and to a daily to do my analysis. Let's just scroll back. This does not have the all-time highs on, but what I'll do first up is just mark it. That will bang on $6. And that will give us some point in the future to aim at. So we'll bang that at $6 there. So that's the all-time highs. It'll be a while to get there, but things can move really quick in crypto. So you just need to be keep your eye on the ball in case it does start to move. So that's the all-time highs. I'll mark it alright. What I'm going to do now is just mark up some key areas of support and resistance if we do have any. And what I'll look for when I'm doing this is I look at the wicks and I look to see if it's had 2 touches before. So if you look at this wick down, them 2 wicks, to be honest, they both touched the same level and rejected off the area. So what I'm going to do is mark it up as my first level, and that is a monthly resistance level, so I'll put that up there. Well, it's currently, that will be a support level, should I say, because when we come back down here, that will hit it. What I do is look, see if we've got any more down here. That's obviously one there. We came up to this wick, rejected, come down here, and then we acted as support there. So that is another level. I do think that monthly and weekly levels are best to trade off. It does give you a good area to look at. And then we've got one down there. I don't want to put too many in because the chances of going down to this level are quite slim in my opinion. So that wick there. So we rejected a fair and we use that area as support. So that is 3 levels on a monthly time frame. There's nothing up. I mean, you could say that's one. It's not quite on there, but my line's thick enough, it does catch it. So that is another area of monthly. That would be resistance at current level. So that's the monthly done. We've got 4 levels there. Let's drop into the weekly time frame. And again, let's see what we can see up here. See if we have any key levels that we've hit. I mean, that's close to being one, but I'm not going to have that. Scroll down. We've got a big level there. If you look at these 3 wicks, we bounced off that same area 3 times, and we'll change that to the weekly. As you can see, my week levels are purple. This looks like another key level down here. So if we look at that wick there, so we came all the way through. That one we rejected of it, come all the way through, and then we bounced off that. Probably 1, 2, 3 times we bounced off that area. I think that's going to be enough there, and then we'll drop into the daily. And this is where I want to do pretty much most of the analysis. As you can see, we've got a lot of key areas there to look at. I want to first start off by looking back to March the 13th, and that's when we had a 57% dump in Bitcoin. And you can see 13th of March was that wick there. We dropped down, we used this monthly support level, and we pretty much danced off that level quite a few times. We did drop down to this level at 26 cents, but then we just bounced straight back up. That will have been that dump actually there. 13th of March was exactly that wick. We dropped right down and then we used that area as support and bounced back up. And ever since we've been on pretty much a good run. If we just work it out as a price raise from that bottom wick, if you did manage to scoop any up at them, you'd have been very, very lucky. All the way up to the top of that move, which was 13th of August when we had the yearly highs, and we've been on quite a good run. We've had a 706% price raise over the course of the last, what could you call that, the last 6 months really. It's been on a good run. It is part of the DeFi moonshots that we've had, and it's done really, really well. But what I want to do now is just flip a little bit of a bearish scenario on it and have a look at some potential entry points, and for that I use Fibonacci to find some key levels. As you can see, we've got key levels of support and resistance here. Pretty much all support, to be honest, down this way. We've got some levels of monthly and weekly resistance there. But there is a good chance that we could drop. So I want to draw the Fibonacci, and I want to take the bottom body there from the beginning of that move. And I'll take it up to the top, if you can see there, around that 13th of August all-time so the yearly highs we had a double top, and it's done quite a good retracement. And if you looked at my last video, I did say that the 618 level is where I like to buy, and we've dropped below that now. So the chances are coming down is the next level down here. We're currently using weekly support, and that is holding up very nicely. I mean, pretty much solid month of just bouncing up and down off that support. We've not pushed up towards that monthly resistance level yet, but we are using this weekly support. In my opinion, I do think that after this week, I think we're going to have quite a bullish week this week with Bitcoin and crypto, because we're getting a lot of earnings out from the US. Some big tech stocks should be, again, made some money, and that hopefully will trickle into crypto. So short term, I think we can push back up to this level around the $1 mark. But over the next couple of months, I do think we're going to drop, unfortunately. That's only my opinion. It might not happen, but that's what I'm aiming for. And in my opinion, I think we can aim towards the 786 level down here. Unfortunately, we only have some support down here, down at 42 cents. So the chances are, if we break this level, which is a monthly support and the 786 level, and if we drop through there, then that is the next area of support. We might have some daily levels in there, but like I say, I quite like to buy off the weekly and monthly support levels. So last time it was there, I do think that it can come down here. So have some orders in place. There's no harm in having orders in place if you're an investor in the project, you like what we've got going on. And have some orders down here just in case we hit. There's no harm in having them at all. I'm going to put some down here at 42 cents. If we don't hit, then unlucky. I'll just drop it up there, but I do think that would be the lowest point we could ever potentially go. The markets are bullish. I think crypto is coming into 2021 is going to be absolutely massive. So I think we might be lucky and get one more opportunity to buy some crypto as favourite ones. I want to just put the EMAs on here as well. This usually gives me an identification when we're going to turn bullish. As you can see, we had a bearish cross there and we've come down. We are hovering in a channel here now, and if the 8 does cross through a 30, then we might start turning a little bit messy and coming down here. Also, let's put the Hitman on. We are currently in a bearish market momentum. The Hitman indicator gives you a bull and a bear signal whenever there is a shift in market momentum, and it currently is bearish. As you can see, we was bearish for a little amount of time. We turned bullish, and we was pretty much bullish for about 5 months solid until we got this big candle down here and we started to drop. I mean, if you look at there, we was all the way up at pretty much $2, and it's come right down now. And this bearish indicator to me is still showing that we're going to be on a downtrend. So what we need to do is, if we look for a bear, a bull, and we do start pushing up and flip this area to support at $1.20 really. I will readdress this video and do some further analysis because, like I say, we're still in a downtrend. The key area for me is $1.20. If we break that again, I'll come back into the video and I'll do some further analysis. We need to turn that to support to regain some bullish momentum, in my opinion. Let's just take a quick look at KNC and BTC. I don't trade in BTC personally, but I might already have a chart on here somewhere on my massive list of charts. Let's just scroll through them a second. KNC. There it is, yeah. So KNC, I'll just get rid of all that crap. That was from last time. We've come way down. We've pretty much done a full retracement there. Let's just get rid of all the indicators. So let's just take the beginning of this move. Again, we'll use a Fibonacci. We'll go right back to it, all the way up to that double top that we had. And you can see we've done quite a big retracement. We're coming down to these 786 levels. Like I said, the same works with Tether as Satoshi's. I always choose the 618 level to buy, but we are coming down closer to the 786 level on the BTC pairing, so I think that could be a good level to buy off. It looks like a key area of support down here with wick down there. I mean, we'll just change that. We'll put that on there. So I think that is a key area to buy, in my opinion. So that's pretty much 6,000 Satoshis. Buy then, load up. If stats come down, starts to push down towards 3,000 and 4,000 stats, then just keep buying, because this is a project that is being worked on. It's been worked on since 2017, so it is one of them coins that's been around a while, and it is one to pretty much load up on as much as you can as it drops lower. If you bought up here, then unfortunately, but never mind. So it is coming down nicely. We've carried out a 60 to 18% retracement, and now we're coming down to so that could be a good area to buy. But as I say, I don't trade in Satoshi, so this is my buy zone down. Let's mark that up, so if we do come down here, it will give me a good indication of where we're being. So that's my buy zone. If you want to put some orders in down there, then I'm not saying to put them in there, but it's just what I would do. It's not financial advice, but I think it could be a good area to buy in. So I think that will wrap it up for today's video. That's just some analysis on where to buy. Like I said, if we do flip $1.20 and turn that to support, then I'll readdress this video and look at where we can potentially go in the future. So that is my analysis on Kyber Network. Thanks very much for listening. Please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.